much?
Do you use computer? Yes. Are you addicted to computer? Yes. Do you always use a laptop? Do you use a computer na kasay? No. Do you use a computer na gulay? Yes. Are you aware that yung pinasya ng technology? Yes. Do you have your own computer? That's how intermediate. Yes. Do you regularly use computer? No. Okay. So we are done po. So thank you po for cooperating. Yes.
Nun!
Do you know what is computer? Do you use computer? Do you always play online games? Do you use a computer to hack a site?
Oh my God.
Do you use a computer in a good way?
Kung kayo, susuntokin kita.
Are you aware that computer cannot write? Do you have your own computer? It's okay. Hi.
Hard.
We are grade 1 students.
Yes, yes, yes.
Magbuloy na lang. What is do you know noise?
Yes, I know.
Actually, what? Hello.
Sige, sige, sige.
Ako na lang. Hindi, mahirap pa lang guys.
Hindi, huwag na edit yan.
Wala, may ganyan.
Pakita lang natin kay ma'am. Papakita lang natin.
Huwag na, simple lang. Kaya mo mag-edit? Are you addicted to computer? You always stay online. You use computer in a good way.
Talikod mo pa daan.
You use computer to hack a site. You use computer in a good way. Are you aware that computer?
Hindi nga, yung klase sa loob.
Ate mo? Wag, you. May alam.
Hindi pa mo.
2, 3.
Doon ka tumingin eh.
Yes. You know what is. Are you addicted